figured I would show you some of the things that we use while we're here up at the cabin. So obviously there's some of the, so obviously there's some things like that are obvious, like we have to bring water up when we come. So we've bought these bottles and then we just fill them up every time we come. So since we don't have electricity, we use lanterns. We have a lantern for outside, and we have a little wood burning stove, which is also a barbecue. So it's a little outdoor wood burner, keep us warm at night. And this time we have a generator. So I think the generator is actually still running. I'll probably have to come back and turn this off. Let me just go ahead and turn it off. So we have this Honda generator. As you can hear, it is super quiet. It's a Honda EU 2200i, Honda Inverter EU 2200i. And so this gives us all the electricity that we need. Right now we're out and about, not using it, so I'm going to turn it off, and we have it back here just so it's out of the way. So that little generator does everything that we need. It will have an extension cord coming into the place. Since we're not up here all the time, it's all temporary, but it works, right? So we have a little heater, and this heats up the place great. I bought that. And we also have this little McHeater Buddy, which works off of propane. This works great as well, and that can be used for indoors. This one, I think it's Lasco, and I believe I bought it off Amazon. For light, we also have a propane in here. To cook, I have this Starshine, which works off of propane. We had to go and buy more today. It's in the car. I just have to put it back on. This works great, and we have pots and pans that we use for that. But I've also bought this Bella. Excuse me. This works great. This morning I made eggs and potatoes for everybody for breakfast. Plug that into the generator. It works amazing. Big thing that we use is a battery, and we have this inverter here, and with this we will plug in our cell phones, turn it off and on. Super easy to hook up. It is great. So for all of these products that we use, I will put the link below for Amazon where to get them. Can't remember the prices. I'll also put the prices, but I highly recommend this inverter, and then all you do is hook a battery up to it. It's great. We have this TV. That's for when we come with the kids and it's raining or it's freezing cold outside. That way they just don't get bored out of their mind. Have a bunch of Disney movies here for them, as well as all of their color crayons and pads. Place is kind of a mess right now, but that's what we use. Let's see what else. Air compressor off Amazon. Let's see what the brand is. It is Bostitich, I don't know, but it works great. I mean, it's a tiny little thing. It's not too loud, and it's perfect for here. I mean, we have a couple good ones at home, but for something cheap, it works great. Now, we've been using this Ozark Trail shower. John built a platform for it. That way the water runs down. So it's a dual purpose. It's a shower on one side and a bathroom on the right side. So I'll show you inside. So this side is the shower. You hook the little portable shower up to those hooks up at the top. You warm the water. There's little windows on each side that you could open if you want to. I have them closed because of the weather. And then you can close this as well to have privacy if you're showering and somebody needs to use the restroom. So right now, as far as the toilet, since this is super temporary still, we do have the toilet here that we bought online. We put a bag in there, these little bags. We bought the toilet and the bags on Amazon. So you put the bags in, put a little scoop of kitty litter, and scoop the kitty litter over, take the bags out, tie it, put it in the back, and then dispose of it when we do leave the property. But it's temporary, it works great for now, and it's all that we need. And in the summer, when we do take more showers and stuff in here, we have, where is it? On the wall, we have all these little things that to put. We put our towels and everything in. On this side, the shower side, we can put our toiletries in. And our toilet paper is wet and now has to be thrown in the garbage. It's all wet and moldy. Okay. So let's close this up. But here's our little, where we keep all of our stuff. And then here is our shower from far away. This is, we're going to build an outdoor shower, and we have this little battery powered portable shower head that we're going to use. And I will boil the water inside of the cabin using the propane stove to make it warm. And from there, we will put that in the bucket and shower that way. So I'm not sure if this time we will have the time to do that, but we're going to try. It's just a beautiful view from up here. Let's see. I'm from on the porch at the cabin right now. And it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. We couldn't ask for anything more than this. Right now everything is kind of a mess, but we're doing what we can right now. John made this big picnic bench for us. It's great because it's huge and it fits the whole family. That right here is where we had our burn pile. There's a tree here that I had dropped the last time we were here, but my back was killing me and I couldn't do any more. So unfortunately, I just kind of left the tree there. John will have to bring the excavator, and I did cut it up into pieces, 4-foot pieces, so he could get the excavator and move it and put it on our wood pile here, which he needs to cut up further and stack for firewood. This little garage right here was a frame that my grandfather had, and he used to have an old car in it at one time, and so we just bought some tarps. My grandma let us have it, and we bought tarps, and we're able to keep some of our supplies in here while we're here, but everything stays pretty good. Nice and dry and out of the weather. In here, we just got some old stuff that we'll eventually use. Pretty much, this is it. Here's one of my favorite trees of the property. It's a huge cedar, and it is gorgeous. I love this tree. As you see, we've stacked some more firewood here. We kind of have it all over the property like this. We have a lot of trees that we still have to take out. I mean, this tiny little one, this big madrone back here, this tiny oak. A couple trees in here still need to be taken out. As you can see, this one is super crooked. It just makes me nervous. On the opposite side of that one, we have another super crooked one. I don't even know if you could see it on here, how crooked it actually is. Oh, there it is. So those and a couple more small ones have to come out. Some more of these small little oaks over here. We still have to widen the road a little bit bigger. And from this angle, if you look, you could see what I meant, how we have to take this madrone out, unfortunately, just because there's no way that they're going to be able to swing wide enough. So the road will come this way. We'll take this madrone out. We'll also take that ponderosa pine out, and this will be our road going up to the home site. Super dark. There it goes. So that's kind of everything right now in a nutshell.